Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. If you guys have not yet seen my last video, I'm going to link it up top here somewhere. Please go check that out. Leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about it. In today's video, actually what we've got right here, I've got some of this stuff. If you guys haven't seen it, like this stuff before, basically what it is it's just like plastic lining that goes like around the trim on your interior, on your dash and like stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be installing this today. I feel like this install isn't only for challengers and stuff like that. I feel like almost anybody can buy this and put this in your car. And hopefully this doesn't take too long. I don't think that it will, but we're gonna go ahead and install that right now. Alright, so basically it's gonna go around right here. I'm gonna put it all around this part of my dash, the vents, and then yeah, so I'll probably just like pick it up every once in a while and give you guys like a little update on how it's going. It shouldn't be that difficult, like you're just kind of putting it in between both pieces of plastic, so I don't think it'll be that difficult. Let's give it a try and see how it goes. You're gonna want a pair of scissors for this install. I completely forgot to grab some here, but it's like pouring rain outside right now. I have a knife, but I want it to be like clean cuts. Do I risk using a knife? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? I think we're just gonna risk using a knife. Alright, so this is honestly pretty easy. This pack that I came with like this much. And it came with one of these little plastic things, and I just kind of like get it underneath the plastic right here, and then just kind of follow this through all the way around, and then basically I'm just gonna cut it right here and line it up with that. Well, I got my first one done. I think it looks pretty decent. I think it looks pretty clean. It's not bad. I feel like I should have went for red. I don't know, blue is my favorite color, so I just thought maybe it would look good, but maybe I'll keep it, maybe I won't. You can see I messed up a little bit right here. I cut it kind of too short, but it's whatever. Maybe we'll keep it, maybe we won't. This is fuck me. Okay, everything is good. This is 100% impossible without scissors, so I'm gonna go get some scissors real quick. Scissors, got them. Let's go. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this stuff is a real pain in the ass to get into corners. I don't know if you can really tell, but I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, it looks better, I feel, than maybe stock. I don't know. Now that I'm actually sitting in the driver's seat, I'm looking at it, and I'm actually starting to like it a little bit more as time goes on. So I might keep it. I don't know. I still want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments, because I don't know, honestly, how I think it looks. So I'm almost done. I think I'm going to finish this, and then that will probably be it. I don't think I'll have enough to do around here, which I'm kind of upset about, but there you have it, guys. I have that vent over there done. I have this whole centerpiece done with both vents here, bringing it all the way around over here. I have my vent right there done, and then I also had enough to do this whole centerpiece. Final thoughts. I like it. It adds a little bit of something. It's not bad. I don't think it looks terrible. I think I'll just get some random clips right now, and then I can make a little edit for you guys. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broken, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new bitch. Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Hey. Whoa, chemo, sobbing, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Hey. Had to call the body, then the chopper had to chop it. Niggas pocket watchin', so I gotta keep it rocky.
And I think that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching my videos and supporting. If at any point you learned something or you enjoyed something in this video, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. That is it. Peace out.